These fantasy horse videos are going absolutely viral right now, and honestly, once you see them, you'll know exactly why. Just look at this TikTok account, it gained 325,000 followers, and the videos are getting thousands of views. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral videos in less than 2 minutes using free AI tools. First, check out what I created. Pretty crazy, right? Now let's make one together. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Apps, then go to GPTs, and search for Fantasy Horse Generator. Open it and hit Start the generator. Instantly, ChatGPT will generate 10 epic fantasy horse ideas. Some of them are honestly wild. For this example, I picked number 2. Then ChatGPT gives us 1 image prompt, 1 video prompt. Now copy the image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Paste the prompt, select the image option, and hit Generate. And just wait until you see what appears. In a few seconds, your fantasy horse image will be ready. Here's what mine came out. Now let's bring it to life. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. In Flow AI, choose Frames to Video, paste the prompt, select your image as the starting frame, and hit Generate. And that's it. Your image transforms into a full fantasy horse video. Honestly, it feels like magic. Here are some other videos I created using the exact same method.